Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm gonna unbox a set weight gel which I ordered from Amazon, and today I get it. As you can see here, it's a very nice packaging from Amazon and I got it a very nice discount. So let's just cut this box and show you the gel from Amazon which I ordered from Amazon, and today I get it. So from this side we will cut this box, and after cutting this we got a set weight gel. So okay, and after cutting this box we got something air bubbles, and it's a pack of 3 set weight gel. As you can see here, it's a comes with a net pouch, and after cutting this I will show you the exact how the gel looks, and what the price I paid for this I will show you. Just wait it. So from this side we will cut this net, and after cutting this net we got a 3 pack of set weight gel, as you can see here, and it's something card from set weight. As you can see here, it's provide a card, and as you can see here, it's a cool hold here styling gel with a 100 ml and pack of 3, and here is the price mentioned. I will show you exact what the price mentioned of 3 packs. So I will show you the exact price. So from this side, okay, from this side we will find the price, and the price is 285 Indian rupees, but it's not over. I will show you the exact price what I paid for this. So it's a bill from Amazon, as you can see here, but I just paid only 177 Indian rupees, as you can see here, and the effective price of this set weight gel in market you can buy it in 285 rupees. So it's a very nice deal from Amazon. As you can see here, I got only 177. I paid only 177 rupees for this 3 pack of set weight gel, as you can see here. But if you are not a prime customer, you have to pay extra 50 rupees for delivery charge. But I am a prime customer of Amazon, and I got a 1 year of free delivery feature, so I got in just 177 rupees. So it's a set weight gel. As you can see here, I will give the physical overview. Here is the set weight branding, and it's a cool hold, and from the back side you can see the hold strength, what the hold strength, and the effective price of 1 unit is, as you can see here, it's mentioned, but here is not mentioned because it's a pack of 3. So here is the total mentioned price is 285. So it's a very nice deal from Amazon. I will buy this very nice effective price and got a very nice discount. If you want to buy this product, I will give the separate link in the description below. If you want to buy this product, I will give the link, and if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.